I'm Kriya Factor, and this is my poem, An Edict in Destiny, or Helena Looking Back. I wrote this about reading A Midsummer Night's Dream and wanting to focus on the female, quite queer relationship between Hermia and Helena that had fallen apart by the end of the play. And what a real tragedy I felt that was. So this is my poem. An Edict in Destiny, or Helena Looking Back. I'm tracing the pressed flower on the page, dipping fragile sunrise. The place where we could be two angels. See, we wanted that paradise. Two girls lying in the woods, safe in the cocoon of friendship. Like they are both fated for each other, not pursued, not men pushing out the lines, just Hermia and Helena. We could feign it like the Mayfield whispered, mixing colors, hands, moons. What I would give to be fair for you. Dark hair and angles, fierce and sacred, eyes like lodestars shining. Translated. Instead, we sit the silence, watch the play. Grim suitors mock me, copying out their tragic histories. Then worse, they stay. We aren't chiasmus, weren't cliché. So quick, bright things fall to confusion anyway.